Hi, we are HulkApps, and our Hulk Product Options app generated over $6 billion in revenue for our customers this year. Every Shopify merchant wants to provide their customers with the ultimate shopping experience, and with Hulk Product Options, you can do just that. Our app unlocks a world of product customization possibilities, making it easy to charge extra for additional options like gift wrapping, monogramming, or engraving, which in turn will increase your average order value without breaking a sweat. With enhanced conditional logic, you can control the options that are displayed based on your customer's previous selections, making your page look well organized and sleek. Plus, it's now fully compatible with Buy Now and Shop Pay buttons, making it easier for your customers to complete their purchase. What's even cooler is that you can keep track of your inventory levels and ensure that every option has a unique SKU with the inventory management feature. Your customers can edit their options in the cart, giving them more control over their shopping experience. With various kinds of user inputs, including checkboxes, file uploads, image and color swatches, Google fonts, you can create a truly personalized experience for your customers. We aren't done yet. With dozens of integrations and 24/7 365 live chat support, you can easily grow your revenue while providing the best shopping experience to your customers. It's time to give your customers the choices they deserve. So try Hulk Product Options today and see the real difference it can make for your store.